And unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Lantana, local and long distance movers near me. Moving within Lantana has been made easy. You don't need to buckle under the pressure of conveying your delicate items from your location to your new destination, nor do you have to postpone your relocation. Lantana, Florida has the best local movers to see you to relocate your properties with no damage safely. You will do well to enlist 3 movers. They are privately owned local movers in Lantana that have successfully aided the relocation of several people in this town. They are acquainted with the town's terrain and know the best route to save time and by extension save you costs, since local movers bill clients hourly. 3 movers, Lantana's most efficient long-distance movers, handles all relocations that spans the inter-county, country, and above 100 radii in Lantana. Their efficiency lies in their service delivery, with their clients have attested to being prompt, professional, and without additional cost. As someone embarking on a long-distance residential move, you can avoid the wear and tear of your vehicle driving them across such distance. 3 Movers Auto Transport Service allows your vehicles to relocate from your city to your chosen city at no extra cost. 3 Movers provides their client with price quotes for their long-distance moves. This is just an estimate of what will cost you for your moves across the distance you seek to move. 3 Distance Fair pricing system will save you more money than what you will get from other movers in this city. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lantana moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.